Hello. Today is beautiful Monday. I am driving to 4 hours away from Edmonton in the beautiful country. This is where I am. This is what I see. Again, reading, exploring myself, and really shocked by how much numerology is telling me today. Learning a lot of stuff that I had a feeling, and now it's just like a confirmation of where I am right now, and this is exactly what I needed to be and exactly what I needed to do.
Letter aura 8. While you are experiencing a letter aura of vibration 8, you have to be very careful not to let materialistic thoughts and goals dominate your consciousness, because if you do, you'll find nothing but frustration. This frustration can lead to your becoming contentious, arrogant, temperamental and controlling. You'll adapt characteristics that separate you from others. On the other hand, if you focus on the process of managing your life and your relationships through a sense of generosity and doing the right thing, you will find yourself in a position of leadership or authority without having to make too much effort. Remember that this is a vibration that sets the stage for a fairly long period of time, and that it's not likely to change immediately when you make up your mind to walk your talk, but if you make the effort to try and make something good happen every day, you'll quickly tune into this powerful gift.
Powerful gift. I know these forests, this nature, this everything is gonna give me. It's not gonna give me. I already have the gift. It's all it is not to lose the gift. You know, doing the right thing is what's important for me. Not to get into materialistic things and become materialistic, because that's not gonna give me the best result. It's gonna be a thing to do, but not the best results. And this is where I'm actually heading. You know, I'm heading more into doing the right thing and understanding and appreciating, and and again, and then they say, whatever you come up with is not gonna happen overnight. So try to do something good every day, and for me, doing something good is not eating meat, drinking water, taking a short shower, really appreciating appreciating this nature, this surroundings, and being a human of love and light. It's doing something good, and every day I live like that. And yesterday I had a couple of pieces of meat, and that's fine. I still appreciate and love myself, and I don't think it's the end of the world, even though I told myself I'm going to be fasting. I really wanted a piece of meat, and I had it, and I'm fine with that, because all week I didn't eat nothing. I don't eat a burger every day. I don't eat meat every day, and I'm not an anal breatharian or vegan or vegetarian or whoever you are. I'm not for now, and that's okay. I accept myself the way I am right now, and I do want to become vegan, but I still believe in got a little shock there. It's so slippery here. It's crazy. That was scary. I just went too fast, and we're in a small town. It was kind of scary. So yeah, it's sometimes, you know, you have to take it easy. Speed cameras here and everything. It's so slippery. It was just like ice, you know. I put a brake on and it wouldn't brake. So it was scary moment. I gotta cool down, so we'll continue later.